In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste values without formulas in Excel. Sometimes you have a worksheet full of formulas, and you're happy with the results you see, but you don't want those formulas to stay. Maybe you're sending the file to someone else and you don't want them to edit the calculations. Or you just want to freeze the numbers so they don't change when other data updates. That's exactly where copying and pasting values comes in. First, open your Excel file and go to the sheet where your formulas are. Take a moment to locate the cells that contain the results you want to keep. You'll usually recognize them because when you click a cell, you'll see a formula starting with an equal sign in the formula bar at the top. Next, select the cells you want to convert from formulas to values. You can click and drag over a range, or if it's just one cell, click that single cell. If you want a whole column, you can click the column letter at the top. Now, copy those cells. You can right-click the selection and choose Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. You'll notice a moving dashed border around your selection, which tells you the cells are ready to be pasted. Here's the important part. Instead of doing a normal paste, we're going to paste only the values. Right-click on the same selected area, or on the place where you want to paste the results. In the context menu, look for Paste Special. When the Paste Special menu appears, choose Values. In newer versions of Excel, you might see small icons